Apple just dropped their first new product of 2026, and it's not what anyone expected. This is the new AirTag. And if you've ever lost your keys, had an airline lose your luggage, or spent 20 minutes looking for your wallet before work, this little $29 disc just got a lot more powerful. But is it worth upgrading if you already own one? Let's break down everything that's new. First, let's talk about the biggest upgrade that changes how you actually find your stuff. The new AirTag is powered by Apple's second-generation ultra-wideband chip, the same chip inside the iPhone 17, iPhone Air, and Apple Watch Series 11. What does that mean for you? Precision finding? That feature where your iPhone literally points you toward your lost item with arrows on screen now works from 50% farther away than before. So if your keys fell behind the couch across the room, the old AirTag might not pick them up until you were pretty close. The new one starts guiding you from much further away. Plus, the upgraded Bluetooth chip extends the overall range for when you're just trying to see if your item is nearby at all. But here's something Apple Watch owners have been waiting years for. For the first time ever, you can use precision finding directly from your Apple Watch. Apple Watch Series 9 or later, and Apple Watch Ultra 2 or later, can now guide you straight to your AirTag, right from your wrist. No phone needed. This is huge for those moments when your phone is, well, also lost. Or you're at the gym, out for a run, and realize you don't have your keys. Glance at your wrist, and it'll point you right to them. Okay, but what about when precision finding can't help? Like when your keys are buried in the couch cushions. Apple fixed that too. The new AirTag is 50% louder than the original. Apple says you can now hear it from up to twice as far away, and they gave it a completely new chime, so it's distinctive and easier to pick out. This matters more than you might think. When your keys are stuffed deep in a bag or buried under a pile of laundry, that louder speaker could be the difference between finding them in 10 seconds versus digging around for 5 minutes. Now, all of that is great for finding stuff around your house. But here's where AirTag has become an absolute game changer for travelers. Here's something incredible that a lot of people don't know about yet. Apple now partners with over 50 airlines, including Delta, United, Lufthansa, British Airways, and Singapore Airlines, to help you find lost luggage faster. It's called Share Item Location. If your bag goes missing, you can securely share your AirTag's location directly with the airline's customer service team through a secure link that only authorized personnel can access. Think about that. 90% reduction in permanently lost bags. That's not a minor improvement. That's game-changing for frequent travelers. And your privacy stays protected. The shared location automatically expires after 7 days or when you're reunited with your item. You can stop sharing at any time, and only authorized airline staff can access it. Speaking of privacy, let's address the elephant in the room. What about unwanted tracking? Apple is very clear. AirTag is designed only for tracking objects, not people, not pets. The new AirTag includes all of Apple's industry-first protections against unwanted tracking. That means cross-platform alerts. Both iPhones and Android phones can detect if an unknown AirTag is traveling with you. Unique Bluetooth identifiers that change frequently to prevent tracking. The louder speaker also helps. It's harder for someone to hide an AirTag when it makes more noise. All location data is end-to-end encrypted. Apple doesn't know where your AirTag is. Nobody does, except you. All right, let's talk about what matters most. Should you actually buy this thing? If you don't own any AirTags yet, this is a no-brainer. $29 for a single tag, $99 for a 4-pack. Same price as the original, but better in every way. Just buy the new one. Oh, and good news. Since it's the same size and shape, all your existing AirTag holders and key rings still work. Quick question for you. What's the one thing you lose most often? Keys? Wallet? Your bag at the airport? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more Apple coverage, or you're curious whether the new iPhone Air is actually worth the hype, I've got a deep dive video right here that you'll want to check out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.